Let's be the ones who pull away the fines of pity and judgment, who believe that healing is possible, even when it looks impossible. Let's trust that grace is enough and that even the most burdened tree can bloom again. Hello and welcome to Limitless Grace, where we offer biblical mind support to people with disability, their caregivers, and anyone who might be going through a life challenge. My name is Grace Kinga, and I'm glad to welcome you here. Today I want to share a story that came to me as I was walking down the road. It's a story about a tree. The trees are along Thika Road in Nairobi, Kenya, specifically located between Safari Park Hotel and Thika Road Mall. Once blooming and full of life, it now seemed burdened. Its branches were entangled with an aggressive parasitic plant, as you can see in the photos. One that had invaded on and grown wild, trying to dominate its host. For some trees, the parasitic invasion has made the branches to start withering and even drying up. And it struck me, this is what disability can feel like. It comes uninvited, unexpected, it clings. It tries to cover the beauty of the person beneath. But even then, the tree was still a tree, rooted, alive, and full of potential. It just needed someone who cared, to climb up and start removing what didn't belong. In the book of Matthew, chapter 13, from verse 24 to 30, Jesus tells the story of wheat and tares. A farmer planted good seed, but while everyone slept, the enemy sowed wheat among the wheat. The workers wanted to uproot the weeds, but the master said, "Let both grow together until the harvest." Sometimes, not everything can be fixed right away. You wait, you nurture, you keep doing the necessary things. Therapy, doctor visit, address prayers, and you believe. You believe that even though disability came to dominate, there is still hope for the tree. In the book of Job, chapter 14 and verse 7, it says, "There is hope for a tree. If it's cut down, it will sprout again, and its new shoots will not fail." That's what I believe about every child with cerebral palsy or any other kind of disability. Every person facing an unseen struggle, every parent crying behind closed doors, there is hope because God is still working. While the parasitic vine may grow silently and quickly, so can courage, so can faith, and so can love. And sometimes all it takes is one person, a friend, a teacher, a caregiver, and you who is listening to me today, to look past the vines and see the soul beneath. To believe in the person, not the problem. In the book of Jeremiah 30 and verse 17, it says, I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord. The other trees around the struggling one, they bloomed, unaware of what their neighbors was enduring. Let's not be like them. Let's be the ones who see, who care, who climb the tree. Someone once said, be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Let's be the ones who pull away the fines of pity and judgment, who believe that healing is possible, even when it looks impossible. Let's trust that grace is enough and that even the most burdened tree can bloom again. Thank you for listening to Limitless Grace. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who might need a little hope today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, like, and share with your friends. And follow us on all the platforms where we are at. Until next time, keep choosing love and never forget that even the infaded tree can bloom again. Thank you.